Today I will teach you how to make an always online Minecraft server. So let's get into the video. Okay, first step is to create a Discord account. You can name it whatever you want. If you already have a Discord account, you can skip this process. After creating the Discord account, click the link below. Click Discord without offers if you don't want any offers. Click authorize afterwards. Click consent to your selected ticks afterward. After using the link, you can see you have 50 Falix coins because you used my referral link. We will use that later on. Okay, next thing we need to do is click create server on the left panel. After that, scroll down a bit. Type all the things you want. Let's just call it test server. There. Let's see our RAM. I'll just add 3000 RAM, which is 3000 MB. If your country is blacklisted, you will see this. To bypass this, we need to buy a blacklist pass, which is 20 Falix coins. You got 50 Falix coins because you entered my referral link, so it's quite useful. Let's go to the shop. Okay, we're here in the shop. So scroll down. You can also buy other things like CPU cores or RAM here, but we are here for the blacklist bypass, which is here in the very bottom. Okay, click buy because you have enough Falix coins. Let's just wait for it to start loading. And there, we purchased it successfully. Now let's create the server. Okay, the server is created successfully. You can see right here. You can manage your server here, change CPU or change disk or change whatever there. So after that, we're going to click login to panel, use the credentials here and click panel login for the link. Copy the credentials and paste it here. Click login when you pasted the credentials there. This is your server. I just named it test server because it's just for this video. It's still installing, so you're gonna wait for a while after this. Okay, we're back and it's already installed. So I'm gonna teach you how to set up it first. click File Manager over here, and then create new file, which is in the button on the right side. New file. Just leave it blank and click Create File. Name it minecraft.sh. There. Click Create File. Once you're done, you can go to console, click Start button, wait for it. If that happens, just click again until it works. Just keep clicking it until it will work. Just click it again. Okay, now it's working now because it's showing this text. See, we haven't installed it yet, so type 1 in the console for Minecraft. Then type 1 for PaperMC because that's for plugins and optimization. Type whatever version you want. For me, I want 1.16.4. Over there, just type it, and it will start installing. Then pick the Java version. Java 8 is good because it's good for Minecraft. You can also try Java 11 or whatever you want. Just wait for it to install. When you first start the server, you will see this. It says Minecraft URL. So you don't know how to pronounce it. Just type yes to agree to it. After this, just type Java 8 or Java 11 or type anything. So you could start. But I prefer typing Java 8 because I just made a mistake over here. That's absolutely that. That's how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. To connect the server, just type the IP on the left panel you see there. Bye!